Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So today we are discussing chemistry class 8 periodic properties goal 7. So subscribe. First page we have to see assignment. We will see this is the matter. Okay, don't think that it's questions. It's just the matter. Okay, so let's start. First we'll discuss the goal 7 assignment bits. So let's start. First MCQ with one correct answer. The strong bond is formed between which dash and hydrogen. It is formed between fluorine and hydrogen. Okay, second question, among the following intermolecular hydrogen bond is observed in water molecule. Option B. And next, third question, OFN, that is oxygen, fluorine, neon, in order of increasing strength of hydrogen bonding, that is X partial bond. This is called as partial bond. This is called as complete bond, right? So X partial bond H and full bond to complete bond to X. So we have to write correct order. Okay, answer is D, that is N. So N is greater than O or is greater than F. Correct order of boiling point is first A is correct. Okay, primary amine is greater than secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine. So option is A. Next, strongest bond present in C. Okay, F is having sorry, it's really by mistake. Yeah. Now, so answer is going to be C. So F is having full bond and it is having partial bond. Next MCQ with more than one correct answer type. Among the following intramolecular hydrogen bonding is observed in both. Okay, so more than one means first is orthonitrophenol and also in acylglycol, that is C option. Okay. Next, seventh question, among the following the compound that have hydrogen bonding is all the compounds are having hydrogen bonding. Just put it in the bracket also. And finally D also is having. So here A, B, C, D all are the answers. Statement type question. Statement A, the magnitude of hydrogen bonding is maximum in the solid state and minimum in the gaseous state. That is correct. Alcohol has intermolecular hydrogen bond. That is correct. In orthonitrophenol, intramolecular hydrogen bond is present. All are correct. And option is A. Next, looking at the ninth question, statement A, boiling point of H2O is greater than H2S. That is correct. Stability of proteins is due to hydrogen bonding. That is also true. A substance is said to be soluble in water if it does not form hydrogen bonding. That is false. So option is C. Okay. Looking at the next page, assertion and reason type questions. So first question is, though the electronegativity of nitrogen and chlorine are same, but NH3 exists as liquid whereas HCl exists here. That is only wrong. The size of nitrogen is less than size of chlorine. That is true. So option is here D. Next, 11th assertion A, boiling point of H2O is greater than H2S. That is correct. If H2 is having weak hydrogen bonding compared to H, that is also correct and correct. Explanation also right. So option is A. One second. Yes. Next, matching we will be looking at list A, list B. So just this is your homework. Do it. Answer is B. Okay. Passage type questions. 13th question, density of ice is less than water because of all the reasons. Okay, D. Next, due to intermolecular H bonding, hydrogen bonding, what is happening? Both A and B is happening. That is, boiling point is increasing and volatile nature is decreasing. So D. Okay. Next, hydrogen bond is represented as which symbol? So hydrogen bond is represented with this symbol D, like dot dot, like this it will be going like dotted line. Okay. 16th one, among the following molecule having intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it is salicylic acid. Okay, salicylic acid. Next, looking at the orange worksheet, MCQ with one correct answer type. Among the following correct order is, this is also your homework, but I am saying the answer. Boiling point of pH3, it is greater than NH3. Okay, B. Answer is B. Second one, intermolecular hydrogen bond is present in which one? Water. Okay, water. C. Okay. Next, least volatile among the following is H2O. H2O is having the least volatile. B. Okay. Next, fourth one, hydrogen bonding is maximum in this one. Keep it aside, we'll look at later. Okay. Fifth one, boiling point of water is higher than that of O2 because H2O molecule has hydrogen bonding. Option D. So whichever questions which I am leaving, no, like I am just saying, we'll discuss later, that one is your homeworks. Okay, just you should do it. Very little I will be saying, I don't know, right? Yeah. Statement type questions. Statement A, bond energy of hydrogen is about 1/10 of the energy of covalent bond. The correct is correct. The strength of hydrogen bond is in H-F. That hydrogen bond H is, this equation you should just read it because I can't explain that. That is also correct. And intramolecular hydrogen bond is present in salicylic acid. That is also correct. Option A. Next, statement 1. Intermolecular H bonding increases the boiling point and makes a substance less volatile. That is also correct. A substance is said to be insoluble in water if it does not form hydrogen bonding. That is also correct. Density of ice is less than water and water contracts when heated between 0 degree and 4 centigrade. So this is also all are correct and option is A. Next, assertion and reason type question. Option assertion A. This PA hyphen and O hyphen, which is there now here, O hyphen also, which is ortho, O means, okay. P hydrobenzoic acid has lower boiling point than ortho hydroxybenzoic acid. That is correct. Ortho hydrobenzoic acid is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Correct explanation also. Option A. And next, 9th one, assertion A, H2O is liquid while H2S is a gas. That is correct. Hydrogen bonding is present in both the cases. No. Okay. So option C. So this is how, this is the MCQs. Just have a look over all the answers. And sometimes I'll say we'll discuss that are only your homework. Sometimes I'll say some questions as homework, but I am giving the option, right? So that's not a kind of homework. Here, this is the second page. So that fourth one is the homework in this video, and in previous videos again you have to just go back and do it. Okay. Here this is the fourth one, that is the homework. So hope you all understood it and mark it in your, and hope you marked it in your textbook. Just go back and see if you didn't mark. Okay. So subscribe to Wish Problems. You like, share and share it to your friends also. Thank you.